There are 3 things to look for in a maternity photographer, and in this video, I want to give you exactly what those 3 things are. What's going on to all of my married expecting parents? I am Jaylin, Dorsey-Mitchell, out of Detroit, Michigan, and I am an all-inclusive maternity photographer who specializes in capturing memories of married couples' pregnancy so that they can share them with their child when they get older. And in this video, I want to let you in on the 3 things to look for in a maternity photographer. The first thing to look for is how personal they are. This is such a special moment for you and your husband, and it's important that you find someone that you actually connect with. And I understand that you do pay someone and it makes it transactional, but you should do your best to find someone that wants to build a personal connection with you. So if they talk to you on the phone, right, they meet with you before you book, if they have a time with you that explains what they offer and etc., and they don't just send you to a website to pay your money and book, that shows how personal they are. You can look through the testimonials that they post on their page or their website. Look at how they respond to people in their comments. You want to do the personal stalking check on the maternity photographer that you are considering so that you can find someone that connects personally with you for this special moment. The second thing to look for in a maternity photographer is how much time do they take off your plate. You and your husband are already busy preparing to be a new mom or new dad, or add a new addition to your family that you already have. You're nesting. You're doing all these things to prepare for this new life you're bringing onto the earth. And you should not be worrying about all the little logistics and details of planning a maternity and executing a maternity photo shoot, which is why I always suggest my moms to book a maternity photographer who takes the most weight off their plate, who gives them their time back and allows them to focus on what matters the most, sitting back, relaxing, and enjoying their maternity experience. And the third thing I want you to look for in a maternity photographer is their quality and style. So when we talk about style, right, don't book a maternity photographer who has more of a glam look when you want that natural earth tone feeling look. Don't book a maternity photographer who has the earth tone look when you want that glam dolled up look for your maternity portraits. It's important that you work with your photographer, going back to point number 1, to figure out, number 1, if they can fit the style that you want for your maternity portraits, and number 2, if they can provide you what your deepest desires is for how you want your maternity photos to look. And not only do they need the style, they need the quality. So you can easily see the quality of maternity photographers' work by zooming in on their photos, seeing how blurry they may be, seeing that they pay attention to detail, like the little hairs that may fly away, flyaways, or just any little details that are in your maternity photographer's portraits. You want to make sure you take a look at those. You want to take a look at those and make sure that they are doing what they are supposed to do on their end and providing top-notch quality with you to the best of your ability, because you won't know until you book them. But you want to look at their past work, look at the past people they worked with, and see how did they perform with that maternity photo shoot project. Now, with all this being said, I have a free gift for you. I want to give you a maternity idea board that includes over 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas for you to choose from and use for your own maternity photo shoot to create a unique idea for you and your husband that tells the story of your pregnancy journey. All you have to do is click the link in the description and I'll send it right over to you.